Here, this is pretty much the home screen of your application. Once you have allowed access to your storage and all those permissions and so forth, this is how the application will look. Here you can pretty much go into any one of these sections here, whether it be audio, video, documents, apps. Let's say, for example, apps that are installed on your device. You can install, uninstall any one of these applications that you see, except from the system apps. But you got what I mean. So let's say, for example, you want to uninstall Audio Labs. All I have to do is just tap on it. We'll just redirect me to the application where you can uninstall it. But if it's a case where in my folders section here, I can go into the downloads option. I'll be able to delete anything from this section here. All I have to do is just long press it, or I can select all at the top here, or I can just unselect everything here. I can rename that folder here, I can delete it, I can remove it, I can pretty much do more. As you can see, I can extract the information because it's also a file extractor as well. So in the settings option here, nothing much. You do have the recycle bin option here as well. So nothing much for the settings feature. So once you have deleted anything, you can either let it move to the recycle bin, or you can just one time delete it permanently. So all up to you. And as well, you can search within your internal storage. By do tap on the three lines over there, you'll be able to see all the shortcuts or tabs that are open within the application. Can go into my main storage device here as well and certain things. As for example, I want to delete something or delete a folder, I can do that by just now pressing on anything here, and I do not good to go. Can tap on the search icon to search for something, let's say an APK that's in a folder, and I just want to easily find it, can search up here. So very simple application to use if you uninstall anything like that, or if you're looking for documents. And also it does categorize everything as it relates to music, videos and images, so you can easily find those. So that's pretty much it for this app. And at the top here you may see a crown icon here. This is pretty much where you go to get your subscription, and you pretty much will see what we getting for their subscription and the prices. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, please comment below. Let's see you in the next one.